Hey everyone, welcome back to newestrev, your go-to place for stylish unboxings and exclusive sneaker deals. Today, we're diving into something seriously bold and beautiful, the Air Jordan 4 Canyon Purple. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's get right into the box. This pair just arrived at the newestrev studio, and I couldn't wait to show it to you guys. From the vibrant colorway to the premium materials, these are not your average kicks. Let's get right into the box. This pair the Air Jordan 4 Canyon Purple draws inspiration from Tinker Hatfield's legendary 1989 design, but this version flips the script. Gone is the usual leather or nubuck, and in its place is this shaggy purple suede that pops with energy. It's got bold lime green accents on the speckled eyelets and midsole, a safety orange Jumpman tongue tag, and jet black molded wings and outsole. It's edgy, modern, and definitely makes a statement. Besides the standout aesthetics, these shoes are built for both comfort and street credibility. The herringbone traction outsole gives great grip, while the midsole ensures cushioning for everyday wear. Whether you're hitting the courts or the city, these kicks got you covered. This isn't just a shoe, it's a fashion statement. If you love rocking rare colorways and turning heads, the Canyon Purple is a must-have. It blends iconic Jordan heritage with a rebellious twist, making it a perfect piece for collectors and casual wearers alike. Best way possible. Its standout feature is the shaggy purple suede upper, which brings a fresh, textured look that immediately catches the eye. Unlike the traditional Jordan 4 materials, this bold suede adds a layer of luxury and streetwear edge at the. What makes this sneaker even more special is the unexpected color combo. The lime green speckled eyelets and midsole create a wild contrast that somehow works perfectly with the purple upper. Then you've got a bright safety orange Jumpman logo on the tongue for that extra pop, while black molded wings and outsole ground the shoe with toughness. It's daring, bold, and made for people who want to stand out, not blend in. Now let's talk about where you can get these beauties. Shoesy.ru. This site is a trusted name among sneakerheads, offering a massive range of replica and retail-inspired footwear. Whether you're into Jordans, Yeezys, or designer drops, they've got it all. The site is well-designed, easy to navigate, and packed with the freshest releases. Shoesy.ru doesn't play around when it comes to quality. The attention to detail on their shoes is insane, from stitching to materials to packaging. You get premium-level construction without the retail price tag. Plus, they offer styles for both men and women, perfect for sneaker lovers of all kinds. What sets Shoesy.ru apart is their team. These folks genuinely care about your experience. From product inquiries to order updates, their support staff is responsive, professional, and always helpful. They're available via WhatsApp and email, and I've linked all their contacts and socials down in the description for you. Let's be honest, sneakers these days can break the bank. But Shoesy offers an affordable way to rock the best styles. You're getting high-quality reps that look and feel like the real deal, but at a fraction of the cost. Add in that $20 discount, total win. Under all the bold design is the legendary Jordan 4 structure, built to perform. The shoe features responsive cushioning in the sole, a padded tongue, and that classic herringbone outsole for great grip. Whether you're rocking them for everyday street style, court play, or just flexing for the gram, the Canyon Purple 4s bring both comfort and durability. This is a sneaker that's made to last and look amazing while doing it. So there you have it, the Air Jordan 4 Canyon Purple, one of the boldest drops we've unboxed here at newestrev. Make sure to check out Shoesy.ru and use that code NEWS to get $20 off your pair today. All the links, social media accounts, and contact info are in the description.